Durable trailering tie-downs. 1 black polypropylene webbing. Convenient quick-release buckles. Each kit contains 12 10 straps. This item is designed to enter through loops sewn onto your cover and loop around your trailer, securing in a quick-release buckle. Pro-Fit boat cover tie-downs are a convenient way to secure your boat cover to your boat for traveling or storage. These durable tie-downs won't stretch out of shape, tear your cover or damage your boat. This system allows you to easily remove the cover and quickly reattach it after use. Top reviews from the United States. No longer strapless. These are great. Good quality webbing and buckles. I've already put them to good use around the house as well as on the boat. There are many uses for these straps. Would buy again.